Today we're checking out the UGREEN MagFlow MagSafe Dock, a sleek little charging stand for your iPhone and more. On paper, it's compact, stylish, and has a few neat extras, but is it actually practical for everyday desk use? Let's find out. So I've been using this on my bedside table for the past couple of weeks, mainly as a way to keep my phone upright and charging overnight. The idea of a simple, clean, single stand for my iPhone sounded perfect, and the UGREEN MagFlow design seemed like a tidy solution. So this dock supports 7.5 watt MagSafe charging for your iPhone, and on the side there's actually a little USB-C port that can push out up to 5 watts if you want to plug in another device like an Apple Watch or even your AirPods. The whole unit folds flat, making it easy to slip into a bag if you want to travel with it, but myself, I've just been using it exclusively at home. There's also an AirPods wireless charger on the bottom, which I've also found really useful. So the first thing I noticed when I picked this thing up was how sleek and honestly really premium it looks. The finish matches really nicely with the iPhone, even if mine's blue, and it feels sturdy enough when it's sat on the desk or table. It does definitely look like it belongs alongside an iPhone setup. The magnetic charger itself is the main feature here, holding your phone upright while charging wirelessly. There's also, of course, that side USB-C port for an extra device, though of course it does only go up to 5 watts. For most people, of course, that'll be enough for their accessories, but don't expect fast charging out of that port. So in terms of performance, the charging speeds of this device have been solid at the 7.5 watts, which is quite standard for MagSafe docks. I personally haven't had any issues with overheating, although I have seen some reviews mention it as a potential problem. Day to day, it works just as you'd expect. Pop your phone on and it starts charging right away. Now, here's where I've run into a slight issue with this device. The magnets are strong, which is great for holding the phone in place, but when I go to grab the phone off of the dock, the whole stand comes with it. Especially on my bedside table, if I just sort of lean over and pick up my phone, maybe I'm just waking up or about to go to bed, I end up dragging the charger along with me too. To avoid that, I do have to hold the base or the back of the device every single time, which really isn't ideal. I can't tell if the magnet is too strong or maybe the base is too small or not weighty enough, but either way, it has definitely been a pain point for me. Aside from that, there are a couple of other downsides. It doesn't come with a charging brick, so you'll need your own USB-C power adapter, maybe like the one that comes with your iPhone. Oh wait. It's also not the most case-friendly dock. You will need a proper MagSafe case for it to work well, and while that side port is actually really handy, it is limited to 5 watts as I've mentioned, so don't expect it to be your main charger or replace your main charger for your larger devices. Overall, at just under £20, the UGREEN MagFlow MagSafe Dock looks great, charges reliably, and folds up into a very travel-friendly size if you need to take it with you. But for bedside use, the magnet strength combined with the light base of this product does make it a little bit frustrating. If you don't mind holding the charger down each time you pick up the phone, it is a solid and stylish dock for the price. If you found this review helpful, then of course make sure to drop a like rating and subscribe for more tech content just like this. And let me know down in the comments section down below, will you be picking up one of these? Of course, the links to it are all the way down there in the description. Check out this video on the screen as well if you haven't done so already. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.